In this video, we'll explore the usage section in CitedSpy and help you understand your account's tracking limits and how each resource is utilized. Start by navigating to your CitedSpy dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Settings and then select Usage. At the top of the Usage section, you will see your current tier, which displays the active plan your account is on. Just below that, you will find a complete breakdown of your account limits. Keep in mind that these quotas depend on the specific plan you have purchased. Here is a breakdown of what each limit covers and how it is utilized. Answer credits, consumed whenever the platform queries AI models and analyzes search responses or citations. Brands, the total number of brand profiles or domains you can create and monitor within your workspace. Prompts, the number of active search queries and prompts you can track across AI search engines. Competitors, the total number of competing brands you can benchmark against your own. Seats, the number of team members or collaborator accounts you can invite to your workspace. Article generations, the quota for generating brand new, long-form articles from scratch using the AI writer. Content optimizations, the number of existing pages or URLs you can audit, score, and rewrite. Prompt research, credits used when running automated discovery to find new, high-value AI search prompts. Engine runs, the number of scheduled or manual tracking executions run across selected AI models. API keys, the programmatic access tokens available to integrate CitedSpy data into your custom tools or internal workflows. You can use this page to monitor your remaining credits and ensure your brand tracking runs uninterrupted without hitting your thresholds. And that's how you check and understand your usage limits in CitedSpy. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to the channel for more product guides and tutorials.